Memorial Day weekend brought some troubling news from the medical examiner's office. 8 overdose deaths, and they say it's probable fentanyl played a role.
Overdose cases have been rising for years now, and this spike is especially troubling. CBS 58's Yukari Nakayama has tonight's top story, the warnings from experts and what help is available.
About 80% of our drug-related death does contain fentanyl.
Over the weekend, the medical examiner's office reported about 8 probable overdoses due to fentanyl. Sarah Schreiber, forensic technical director of the toxicology lab for the Milwaukee County Medical Examiner's Office, says it's a trend they've seen increasing for years.
We've trended with various opioids. We took a shift to fentanyl, though, about 5 or so years ago, where that really became the prominent opioid that was responsible for deaths.
The Milwaukee County dashboard that tracks overdoses notes that from 2019 to 2021, there's been about a 50% increase in overdoses. Schreiber says the demographics statistically include middle-aged men. In some cases, some victims don't even know their drug of choice is laced with fentanyl.
I've had a lot of people report to me who are regular substance users who actually don't use heroin, who have used cocaine or crack, and then all of a sudden they wake up and there's fire department members standing there and they're completely shocked.
The Milwaukee Fire Department has been distributing these Hope kits since March.
Being on the fire department and I'm a paramedic as well, I've seen a lot of overdose deaths that are just, they're gut-wrenching.
EMS and the Milwaukee Fire Department say they've distributed hundreds of these kits, saying in areas most affected, requests for these kits have only increased.
Maybe it will be one of those things that gets worse before it gets better.
Chelsea England distributes about 75 Narcan kits a month since September of 2021 with her MKE overdose prevention organization. She says the fentanyl issue looks like it's only getting worse. Schreiber and Fire Captain Polichowski says the best way to prepare is to have preventative measures in place, such as Narcan, test strips, and look out for any signs of a potential overdose. In Milwaukee, Yukari Nakayama, CBS 58 News.